So hello, we are a small family of 4 and today we're going to show how you can sow lychees. I'm going to show the easiest way how to grow from a seed a lychee, and my husband will show another way. So first of all, please take lychee and uncover it. So we've got already the seed from lychee, and now we take the paper, towel paper, and water it. Put inside the seed and put it in the zip pocket. So every 2-3 days, please check your seed and water it carefully, and then after some time you will see the first sprouts. Yeah. Good luck. Now my husband will show another way.
Yes, I will show the way. When you are trying to plant it, on the bottom there will be this perlite. Put the seed top, and then I will add vermiculite for hydroponic growth, and hopefully to grow.
Do we need to water it?
You need to water it, yeah.
I'll help you. So, then actually after some weeks we're going to check our lychee seeds, and then we will show you our results. Good luck to you too.